So I'm starting off my day here at Border Market in Georgetown, which is one of the biggest and most popular markets here in the city. And the reason that I've come here today is I'm going to be learning about a very traditional Indo-Ghanaian tradition, which is called seven curry, which is 7 different types of curry, all vegetarian, served on a lotus leaf. So we're going to be going around the market, collecting some of the ingredients and cooking up a delicious lunch. So why is the 7 curries so famous here in Guyana?
Okay. Because I think because it's Guyanese. I mean, it originally came from India, but it's no longer, you can no longer find it in India. It's become a very Guyanese tradition, and everybody just really loved it. It just became part of our culture, and so we really embrace it, and they're so delicious.
So of course, one of the key ingredients for the 7 curry is the plate. And this actually is going to be made from a lotus leaf. So we've come to get our own lotus leaf, ready to serve later on.
Yep.
How close do I cut it off?
Really close to the bottom. Yeah, you can doctor it in a second. And pick another one.
Thanks.
You got to do 2 each.
Okay, this one's a tiny one. This can be for the snack.
Yeah. No, what you do is you take one and you put it on top.
Perfect.
Okay. I think so. What you want?
They've been kind enough to make us all our own personalised apron, ready for the cooking session. It really releases the flavour doing this, doesn't it? And the smell, yeah. So we've now come into the lovely shady area called the Secret Garden, where we're going to be learning from the singing chef himself how to make the 7 curries. And of course, first of all, there's going to be a lot of chopping of all of the vegetables, and we're going to be making our own masala mix. So we've got lots of different spices over there. We've got cinnamon, cumin, we've got bits of orange peel, different types of peppers, and we're roasting those, and all of the flavours and the smells are coming off at the moment, which is delicious.
Yeah, you help her bring this stuff down.
One of my many skills.
Yes. Yeah, you keep the roots on. Put in onions.
I feel like this is a lesson in timing, never mind cooking. Having this many pots on the go at once is definitely a skill. So for anyone from India or who's been to India, you probably know that the word curry isn't actually used very often at all. It's very much a British thing from the time of the Raj. I think some of my friends that speak Hindi would probably call what we're making sabji, different types of sabji here. And it's going to be a little bit like a thali, I suppose. So we'll have the lotus leaf as the plate with 7 different types of curry or sabji. And I'm so excited. It smells absolutely delicious, and it's been wonderful going to the market and then learning how to cook it, and then we're all going to be eating together in the garden in a little bit. And I think this just epitomizes what's so great about food in Guyana. It's such a wonderful mix of different flavors and different influences and different cuisines. Pakora time. Okay. What kind of oil are you using? Just vegetable oil?
No, coconut oil.
Coconut oil, nice.
Yeah, well, we can afford to do that here. Like this entire...
It's a satisfying spit, isn't it, when you pop it in? He's using coconut oil, not vegetable oil. It smells really good already.
$7.50.
Oh, it's a big floppy one.
Big floppy one.
That can make a hat.
Thank you.
Put your rice in the middle.
Rice in the middle.
Rice in the middle. And then all the curries around it.
Okay, I've got my 2 leaves ready to go. And we've got 6 curries here. And then the pakoras are number 7. So rice in the middle. And then this all smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Okay. A bit of okra.
That's the dal.
Which one am I missing? Oh, over here. Okay. Last one.
We thought we'd get the curries out and then do the salty.
Ready to go.
So, you know, I'm like famous in making fruit
That's delicious.
rotis. I mean, fruit curries.
Lovely, fruity.
So I just said to
And of course, best eaten with your fingers.
Funny how a little dose can be so strong. I beg your pardon. I never promised you a herb garden.
Well, that was a very lovely and very tasty experience, and I think a really good way to get to know about Guyanese cuisine on my first day here in Guyana. And now we're going to be enjoying a masala tea and listening to the Singing Chef and his wonderful
The
songs.
lilies from the lotus gardens, then to the market to meet body and son. If they give you the sweet, sweet coconut water from the palm